really.
In fact, with Roy, that makes 4 hands. I can just stand around and direct.
Take that, just wrap it around your wrist, and we'll, as it is, we'll just walk it straight over there, set it down, tip it up. So we'll just pull it out to the point of balance.
Yep.
You keep pulling. Stop there.
Yep.
Yeah. You get your stuff on.
Back on this side. Let it go down a bit, boys.
Yep.
Let it rock a bit. Yeah. Alright, I got it.
Hang on. Okay, on 3 we'll all lift up. 1, 2, 3, up. Everybody good?
I think this one is this one here. That's right. We can bring this one on. Yeah.
We just sort of roll it rather than slide it.
Oh, what have we got here, Roy?
Well, Tom, this is the light filter and the leaf basket, which I'm going to put in the top of the tank.
And I guess the light filter goes in first and the leaf basket goes on top.
You got it, Tom.
Oh boy.